Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we will be making white chocolate cake. We're going to start off by grabbing 9 eggs and throwing them into the mixer. I then add in 1 cup of granulated sugar, I also add in 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. I also slowly add in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I then add my batter into a greased cake pan. I then throw it into the oven for around 20 minutes at 350. I then start melting my chocolate. I start off by heating up some milk, and then I slowly add in my white chocolate to liquefy it a little bit. I then add the white chocolate mixture on top of my cake. I would suggest refrigerating it for around an hour before serving. And then your cake is ready to be served.